So Meta just released Muse Glimmer 30B. And this is an open weight model after Meta's recent Muse models, including the closed Muse Spark. Glimmer has around 30 billion parameters, and it's a dense model with a 131K context window. It also has a vision encoder, so it can understand both text and images. But the main focus here isn't just being a normal chatbot. Meta built Glimmer mainly for agentic tasks, reasoning, coding, and tool use, where the model has to work through multiple steps and actually complete a task.
Now, looking at the benchmarks, first is SWE-Bench Verified, which tests how well an AI can fix real GitHub coding issues. Glimmer scores 76%, compared to 77.2% for Qwen 3.6 and 66.6% for Gemma 4. Then there's MCP-Atlas, which tests how well a model can use tools through MCP for different tasks. Glimmer scores 75.5%, ahead of Qwen 3.6 at 62.5% and Gemma 4 at 54.2%. And finally, GAIA2, which tests an AI on more general real-world agent tasks. Glimmer scores 43.3%, compared to 40% for Qwen 3.6 and 36.4% for Gemma 4.
And then for pricing, on OpenRouter, Glimmer's priced at around 35 cents per million input tokens and $1.50 per million output tokens.
But there are free ways to use it too. The first one is through Hugging Face Chat, if you have some monthly inference usage available.
And another option, which I think is better, is NVIDIA's platform. Just go to the models page and select Muse Glimmer 30B. Here, you'll see the Python SDK, and on the playground, you can also chat with the model free directly, like this.
Then on the Shell tab, you'll see the API endpoint. So let's integrate it into VS Code. First, I'll create an API key. I'll name it VS Code, set the expiration to 1 hour, and click Generate Key. Then I'll copy the key. Now in VS Code, I'll open the Model Selector dropdown, go to Model Settings, then Add Models, and select Custom Endpoints. I'll give the endpoint a name, NVIDIA, then paste the API key and select Chat Completion. After that, I'll change the model ID, model name, URL, and provider name. Once everything is set, I'll save it and select Muse Glimmer from the model dropdown. Now I can send a message, and it's working. I'll ask a few more questions about the repo, and it's able to work with that as well.
So that's Muse Glimmer, Meta's new 30 billion parameter open weight AI model. I did face some issues while testing it in VS Code, but I'm not sure if they were related to VS Code or the model itself, so I'll leave that for you to test. You can also try Glimmer yourself and chat with it directly in the playground. And Meta has also said it plans to release Muse Spark 1.2 as an open weight model, so it'll be interesting to see how that turns out. And for more AI-related videos, check out my channel.